British sound. Vocabulary. Guess. Maggie. Rig. Go. Rich. Going. Chicago. Beginning. Glad. Go. Golf. Dog. Shocking. Forget. Conversation. Yes. Who's coming to Chicago? Maggie and Fred. How did you guess? I just got a message from Greg. Great. When are they going to be in Chicago? The beginning of August. I'm glad you're coming in August. Maybe we can get tickets to a basketball game. Good idea. And right, and I can play some golf. Maggie, and I can check the dog and go jogging in the park. It's very good. Maybe we can go swimming in Lake Michigan, and they are not going to be here that long. After Chicago, they are going to Canada. Where in Canada are they going? I don't know exactly. They are going to go camping. Remember the big party they gave when we were in England? How could I forget? Maggie played the guitar with that group, and we all sat on the grass and sang songs. I had a great time. It'll be good to get together again. Etc. I want to go to Israel because I want to learn their culture. I want to go to Khartoum because I like the climate there. I want to go to the zoo because I love animals. I want to go to the bar because I want to dance. I want to go to the library because I want to read books. Thanks for watching.